obetimi ahwe no ye free because ni nyina no oman no your coffers mo na gusu edre ni ye anti se yetete so na government size so you reducing na. I know say government size the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia also mentioned that government size there was say cutting said they be your expenditure and back from be a 5 minutes beyond that nafi you moving on to our CD and other issues you be doing
I think in principle it's very clear so fear kawe anymore no omane sikasem no said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kan no we need to take certain bold decisions okay any can say a year work as usual yanunti omo pray abenya no asem bi ombe kan bia no asese said the okan no ye do so no
yeah
na ye hwe said the said the si tasomu esifa ene the account. It seems to me say there is consensus in terms of say size of government, you know, better so. Me can say na me can say na hadu dan go gufu adu use 123 the first step and I'm the second term about 86 and that's the same 86 there and Ira John Dramani Mahama AUC on the 4 years. What you say? Now going into election 2024, within another Danko Kufuor Nine Cancer Party, I saw the vice president, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Esi Onono Ghana for Ayana Duma, or to be free, so 86 number 50. Ira John Dramani Mahama, Esi would be free, 86 na about 60. I think I want to rest on these two. Because there are other...
Alan's also between the 30, between
also
30 and 40.
Also 40.
Yes, 40.
He's precise on
yes.
40. But let us focus on the two main contenders for now. Say 60 or say 50, the signal is very clear. So we are not going to operate ministers within the zone of 80s BM and also even within the zone of 70s. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has been categorically clear. Say, it includes deputy ministers. So 50 no account, 50 no deputy ministers account. What I am not clear about is whether say Ira John Dramani Mahama 60 no also include deputy ministers. I think we need to, we need that clarification. And yes, say size of government ever from the say Ghanaians are ready to see say size of government.
There should be commitment from that end.
Yeah. So I cannot see why it cannot be done. What you say? And that's about that. The second one is about the allowances. What you say? You hear proper, better particulars as to how it will be done. But Mimi Free said the moment you reduce the size of government, automatically you're going to reduce those allowances. But what you say? Nanka omo use DSTV anka buy ne betua sasobete omo nanka omo be use fuel allowance as ministers sasobete omo nanka omo be use utilities
87.9 Kumasi
non so once awate sa nipa no so no automatically ya no so esobete but what you say so won't be separate back from the other
but this one will say why emphatic say ontua.
I'm coming there. I'm coming there. The me person me kyerɛ ne say obete so no de me gitum say ebetimi aye. Na ebiem enema na ode linking na allowances ne DSTV and utilities no so no. Me say the moment I obete so no, you know so automatically what is happening. Let us admit that.
Exactly.
Okay. Then further say ubeyi allowances na free hold completely. No. Eho and I'm say ondo so ni ye no fa details in there.
Yeah, my Ghana for
exactly.
How it to be done.
Exactly.
Okay.
Per minister be DSTV how much per month multiply by the number the 12 in a year.
Yeah.
Then also multiply by
number of ministers.
Also multiply by the number of years, the 4 years. But what I say? Now fi waba utilities no so. You know so minister you know utility per minister, whether I say water and electricity. Now per month, but what I say? Also multiply by the whole year, no multiply by 4. Near share the quantum of money say you go down that path or money you bedding. You be safe. But what I say?
Yeah.
Aha. Na yen sang hunu say sa we na oye free hono. Is there other way? We need to be very clear what you say. Obefa so dia compensate those ministers no.
Say the bear.
But come on, I can what tell me
yeah,
you free ho. But who you free ho no send o makatua ni kwakugina. Send akatua ni kwakugina. Na ba bi akatua ni kwakugina no. Wo kwan foforo bi a wo de ebe supporto akatua no said ye beya omo betimi afford no motua sa niam on their own.
So I think that's it. When we get the documents, policy guidelines, documents.
So these are the questions that we need to be asking. And then the final point on the ex gratia.
Maybe in a minute.
Gradually, it's also becoming kind of a consensus thing. I say 2 main political parties now. MPP, NDC. Once John Dramani Mama anyway atuja no because me del me nyanio enemu kra me soda ye kra obuza mamun ba o me ade a waka me within me of friends and UPS vision now the kotwa bonte and near or boss say SSA ye hwe ne go back to the constitution na o man Ghana ye sigina ye wo ho back on ex gratia. And a back on so ne or friend is saying I'm an only for Omuntimi imagina.
Yeah, okay.
Among contest the parliamentary dual citizenship issues and other issues. So he has also flagged it up.
All right, me that say I'm going PV ho na PV so minti na fi ma be doctor ho.